All right, check this out. The difference between limit and market. I'm going to try to explain it to you, and I hope this works. And if you find this useful at the end of the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And yeah, all right, check this out. Limit and market, right? All right, I'm going to say like limit is when you want to buy something. Like for example, you go to like Facebook Marketplace and you want to buy, let's say, a television that you saw for like, let's say 300 euros, and you're not sure that this television is worth this price, and you'll be like, yeah, I'm going to send an offer of like 250 euros. And if this person accepts this offer, and then you can buy it. It's like setting a limit, like saying, yeah, I want to buy this thing in a specific amount, like when it gets to this price. So this is the limit. And market is when you go to, like, for example, when you go to the supermarket and you want to buy, let's say, a bottle of water, and the price is like €1. You don't go to the counter and say, hey, I want to pay 85 cents for this bottle of water. You just pay the €1 and go out. So this is the difference between limit and market. All right, in this section where it says limit, and when you come here, this is the section where it says market, right? All right, let's do the limit first. So the limit section, this is the price what this XRP is selling for right now, €2.34. All right, let's assume you want to buy this coin when it drops to like $2, right? So you want to come right here and put in $2, which is the price you want to buy, the price you're willing to pay for, right? And down here where it says amount, you want to come here and put in the amount, like the quantity of this XRP, which is the coin in which you want to buy. So let's assume I want to buy 10 of this coin, right? So you come down here and you put in 10. So you see the amount right here is saying you have to pay like $20 for this 10 coin, and the price you're paying for each coin, it's like $2. So you're buying 10, which result to total amount of 20. So you're going to go ahead and click on buy, and it's going to come down here, which means it's going to open an order in this section down here. So whenever the price drops to $2, it's going to buy the coin for you automatically. Yeah, don't worry about this. I don't have money in my account right now, so that's why it's showing like I don't have enough funds. But yeah, it's quite simple. 3 steps. First, the amount you want to pay, the quantity you want to buy, total, and you go ahead and click on buy. So when it drops to like $2, it's going to buy it for you automatically. So that's limit. But market is different. Market is a lot easy. Let's assume you see a cryptocurrency you want to buy, and market means the price that is trading for, basically. So if you click on market, you see right here, you don't have to put in the price or the amount in which you want to pay, because it's the market price. So you just go ahead and put in the quantity in which you want to buy, and go ahead and buy at this price that is trading for right now. So this is the difference between market and limit. So that's it, guys. It's quite simple if you know what you're doing. If you don't understand this video, watch it again. And if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. I'm going to try my best to reply to every comment. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please consider liking the video, and catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.